This is Pre-Market Pulse, powered by Zinch, a fast, clean read on the tone of the market before the opening bell. No hype, no noise, just the signals that matter. Here's how the market is setting up this morning.
Good morning, cobbers, and welcome to the Zinch.com Pre-Market Pulse for Tuesday, April 7, 2026. Trump's new Tuesday 8 p.m. deadline. Trump escalated again. New deadline, Tuesday 8 p.m. Eastern Time to reopen the Strait of Hormuz or face hell. Futures down 1.2%, oil surging to $115. The market whipsawed and is reacting sharply. Here's what we're watching this morning. The setup. Futures are down sharply, reflecting shock from Trump's escalation. Pre-market levels. S&P 500 futures, 6,480, down 1.2%. NASDAQ futures, 22,750, down 1.3%. Dow futures, 45,600, down 1.0%. Brent crude, $115.50, up 7.5%. WTI, $105.75, up 6.2%. 10-year Treasury, 111.80, up 40 basis points. Flight to safety. The tone is sharp and negative. Trump's escalation caught the market off guard. Traders were expecting either an extension of the pause or ambiguous language. Instead, Trump set a new, more aggressive deadline and threatened, hell, if Iran doesn't comply. This is a significant shift from Monday's cautious tone. What Trump said. At 8 p.m. Eastern Time Monday, Trump announced he did not extend the pause. The original 10-day pause expired as scheduled. New deadline, Tuesday 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Iran must reopen the Strait of Hormuz by Tuesday 8 p.m. or face hell. Hell is undefined. Trump didn't specify what hell means, military strikes, sanctions, both. Tone was aggressive. Trump said there was a good chance of a deal, but his language was confrontational. The market interpreted this as escalation, not de-escalation. Trump's vague threat of hell is worse than a clear military strike announcement because it creates maximum uncertainty. The market reaction. Futures sold off sharply overnight. S&P 500 futures, NASDAQ futures and Dow futures all pointedly down while oil surged and bonds rallied. Flight to safety. This is a classic risk-off move. Equities down, oil up, bonds up. The market is pricing in escalation. The Trump credibility problem. Last week, Trump signaled the war was ending on Wednesday, then backtracked on Thursday. Monday, he extended the pause. Now, he's escalating with a new deadline. Trump's credibility with the market is now severely damaged. Traders don't know what he'll do next. This uncertainty is the primary driver of volatility. The vague threat of hell is particularly problematic because it creates maximum uncertainty. A clear military strike announcement would be easier for the market to price. But hell is undefined, which means traders must assume the worst-case scenario. Economic data today. No major U.S. economic data is scheduled for today. The focus is entirely on Trump's new Tuesday 8 p.m. deadline. This is unusual. Normally, Tuesdays have Producer Price Index (PPI) data. But today, the market is entirely focused on geopolitics. Earnings calendar. No major earnings are scheduled for today. The market is waiting for Trump's Tuesday 8 p.m. announcement. What to watch? Tuesday 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Trump's next announcement. This is the critical moment. Watch for. Does Trump escalate further? If yes, expect a sharp sell-off in equities and a rally in oil. Does Trump back down? If yes, expect a sharp relief rally in equities and a sell-off in oil. Is Trump ambiguous again? If yes, expect continued whipsaw volatility. The market will react immediately. Futures will likely move 2 to 3% in either direction within minutes of the announcement. The broader context. This is the 7th straight day of volatility. The market has now experienced 3 Trump announcements in 4 days. March 26, Trump extended the pause to April 6, bullish. April 6, Trump escalated with a new Tuesday deadline, bearish. April 7, Trump's new Tuesday deadline creates maximum uncertainty, bearish. The pattern is clear. Trump is escalating, not de-escalating. The market is now pricing in a higher probability of military conflict. If Trump follows through on Tuesday with military strikes, expect a sharp sell-off in equities and a rally in oil. If Trump backs down, expect a sharp relief rally. For now, the market is in a holding pattern. Traders are waiting for Tuesday 8 p.m. Eastern Time. The bottom line, futures are down 1.0 to 1.3% this morning, reflecting sharp reaction to Trump's escalation. Oil is surging to $115.50. Bonds are rallying. Flight to safety. Trump's new Tuesday 8 p.m. deadline creates maximum uncertainty. The vague threat of hell is worse than a clear military strike announcement because it forces traders to assume the worst-case scenario. At Tuesday 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Trump will announce whether he's escalating further, backing down, or something in between. This announcement will likely set the tone for the rest of the week and potentially the rest of the second quarter. For now, the market is bracing for volatility. That's your Zinch.com pre-market pulse for Tuesday, April 7, 2026. Good luck, and goodbye.